Meaning of flatterer.
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 Flatterer. A flatterer is a person who praises or compliments others insincerely, often in order to gain some advantage or benefit. This type of person uses excessive praise and admiration to manipulate and ingratiate themselves with others, often with selfish motives. While flattery can sometimes be used innocuously, it can also be a form of deceit, creating a false sense of trust and confidence. Ultimately, flattery can lead to unhealthy relationships built on false pretenses. It is important to recognize the difference between sincere praise and flattery, and to be wary of those who use flattery for personal gain.